my money and yours, because it is my money and yours. This is Expos Editor going to briefly remind all of the valuable wealth and then get right to reading the court proceedings. You will hear some clicking that will be of putting it on the screen. Court proceedings of August 17, 2015, Simi, California, USA. His Honor, Judge A. Blinken, Jr. presiding. Judge, plaintiff ready. Plaintiff, preacher doc. Yes, Your Honor. Judge, defense ready. Defense, Barack Obama. Yes, Your Honor. Judge, plaintiff may call their first witness. Plaintiff, call Senor Giuseppe Vero. Witness 1, W1. CO, court official. Do you swear, etc., etc., and nothing but the truth? Witness 1, yes, I do. Plaintiff, who do you work for? Witness 1, Interpol. Plaintiff, were you at the international meeting of July 15, 2015 in Rome, Italy? Witness 1, yes. Plaintiff, summarize what happened and any records you have. Witness 1, with most nations in attendance, who and what are the true facts regarding Doc Castellano, DBA, Doc C, PhD Company, also known as Preacher Doc, also known as Expos Editor, also known as W07, now W09, was discussed. There are thousands of reports, photographs, with hundreds of videos. It was decided that the issue was and is a national issue between Doc Castellano and U.S. government. This was formally presented to President Obama with copies to all other nations. Plaintiff, all the questions I have at this time, Your Honor. Judge, defense wish to cross-examine. Defense, did you personally see President Obama read the report? Witness 1, no, but I personally handed it to his representative. Defense, answer yes or no. Did you see President Barack Obama read the report? Witness 1, no. Plaintiff, redirect. Concerning this report, are you absolutely sure it was delivered to President Barack Obama? Witness 1, absolutely sure. Plaintiff, call my next witness. W2, sworn in. Plaintiff, have you ever worked for the FBI? Witness 2, yes, from July 1995 to July 20th, 2015. Plaintiff, what happened on July 20th, 2015? Witness 2, President Barack Obama went into a rage. Defense, objection, Your Honor. Judge, objection sustained. Plaintiff, President Barack Obama showed emotion about what? Witness 2, the report that specified that he is the highest authority in the U.S. to respond to Doc Castellano's charges and claims. We were ordered to keep him out of the media, TV, and public knowledge. I objected. I said I couldn't continue our insane genocide program. The FBI has to take the lead in correcting the out-of-control violations of our Constitution. Plaintiff, then what occurred? Witness 2, I was called into the director's office and told my services were no longer needed. Dismissed. Plaintiff, all questions. Defense, you don't like President Barack Obama. Witness 2, I just follow his orders professionally. Defense, you don't like the director of the F.B.I. Witness 2, I specifically follow his orders. Defense, in fact, you don't seem to like anybody with rank above you. Plaintiff, objection. Witness has been asked and answered the trap-like question. Judge, sustained. Defense, do you follow your director's orders? Did you follow your director's orders regarding the report? Witness 2, yes. Defense, then why were you dismissed? Witness 2, I was called in, told I was being dismissed, given no reason, and dismissed. Defense, I suggest it was because you were forming a group to counter the orders of the director. Plaintiff, objection. We, the plaintiff, have a million suggestions we would like to offer to the court. Let us stick to the proceedings. Judge, sustained. Defense, defense asks that they be allowed to recall this witness at later time. Judge, granted. Plaintiff, I call Doc Castellano to the witness stand. Witness 3, plaintiff, sworn in. PA, plaintiff's attorney. Is Doc Castellano your legal and professional name? Witness 3, yes. Prosecuting attorney, what other names have or do you still use? Witness 3, Preacher Doc, Doc C, PhD Company, Expos editor, and 009. Prosecuting attorney, where and when were you born? Witness 3, Rochester, New York, January 14, 1926. Prosecuting attorney, so you are what age? Witness 3, 89 years, 7 months, 3 days. Prosecuting attorney, summarize, concise, your facts. Witness 3, Doc Castellano, for prosecution. On or about July 4th, 1947, I called the FBI to tell them I had been reviewing Enrico Fermi's fission, the A-bomb. While studying and analyzing how it functions, I believe I have discovered that a far more powerful nuclear reaction is taking place, fusion, and a fusion bomb appears obtainable. That is about 100 times more powerful. He said at the FBI, they are not scientists. I suggested a secret meeting at the University of Rochester Cyclotron building on a Saturday afternoon. Prosecuting attorney, then what happened? Witness 3, prosecution. The secret meeting was held. My work was valid, and a fusion bomb could be built. I suggested a Super Manhattan project at Los Alamos, New Mexico. A discussion took place as to when another country might duplicate our A-bomb. They said 25 years. I was going to say 5 years, said may take 15 years. Prosecuting attorney, then what happened? Witness 3, prosecution. A special top brass will be there party was held, but you're surely one of the 2 top guests. When I arrived, I didn't see any girls, so I asked the host, I don't see any girls, where are the girls? The host put his hand to his mouth and said, the director has this kind of a party. You have your choice of one of those 2 young fellows over there. Witness 3, prosecution. I explained, what? He said, this is the type of party the director has. Which fellow do you select? I said, I'm out of here, and stormed out. Thus, after the first month, a tremendous personality clash took place with a mind-boggling paradox. I was at the top, absolute top of the decision-making, while the director, J. Edgar Hoover, had me on his outlist at the bottom of who he didn't like. Of number 1 importance is that at the meeting, I strongly pushed that nuclear war is prohibitive and never be used again. Diplomacy must be used to settle our differences. The rest, copies of original work, articles, photos, and videos I have here, filed with the court, and in reasonable chronological order. Prosecutor. All questions. Defense. Doc Castellano with 4 other aliases. Have you ever met President Barack Obama? Witness 3, prosecution. No. Defense. Would you like to meet him? Witness 3, prosecution. No. Defense. Why not? Witness 3, prosecution. Barack Obama lacks standing. Defense. Lacks standing? Do you know what lacks standing means? Witness 3, prosecution. Yes, and President Barack Obama, not being born in the U.S.A., lacks standing. Defense. Objection. Your Honor, is this court the defense to be insulted by the plaintiff's opinions? Prosecuting attorney. Your Honor, the witness was asked to give his opinion. Judge. Yes, however, that Barack Obama was not born in the U.S.A. has never been ruled as such by any court, although that is part of this court to rule upon. At this time, not established. Therefore, that portion of his answer has been stricken. Defense. Is there any living present authority that will second what you have presented to this court? Witness 3, Prosecution. A few. My attorney decided what witnesses to testify. Defense. No further questions. Plaintiff's attorney. Redirect. Doc, have you semi-avoided any answer? Witness 3. Prosecution. I have answered as truthfully and complete as possible. Judge. Defense may call their first witness. Defense. Defense recalls witness 1. I want to be absolutely sure of your answer. Yes or no, did you ever see President Barack Obama read a report? Witness 1, no. Defense, did you see who you handed a report to actually handed to President Barack Obama? Witness 1, no. No further questions by defense. The defense still maintains that the plaintiff lacks standing and that a higher court will dismiss today's court proceedings. Plaintiff, objection, Your Honor. Judge, sustained. With the quantity of factual material to read, comprehend, and decide upon, I will give my ruling on Tuesday, September 1st, 2015 at 10 a.m.